Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the device that provides the network connection and preparing a direct cable link. Plug a quality Cat5e or Cat6 cable into the source device's Ethernet port and into the target device. Next, disable Wi-Fi on both devices so traffic uses the cable only. This avoids split routing. Finally, check both devices have active Ethernet adapters and current drivers. Once done, move to assigning addresses so the two machines can see each other directly without a router mediating. Now configure static IPs so packets know where to go. On the source device, set a fixed IP4 like 192, 168, 10, one with subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 0, on the target use 192, 168, 10, 2. If you need internet from the source, enable internet connection sharing or tethering on that machine so it forwards traffic. Make sure any firewall allows the shared connection. After assigning addresses, test connectivity with a ping. If ping succeeds, services like file sharing or remote desktop will work directly over the cable. Complete the setup by testing. Ping the other IP4 address, then transfer a file or browse a website if internet sharing is enabled. If you see no response, inspect the Ethernet port LEDs and try a different cable. Sometimes auto MDI/MDIX fails on older hardware. Make sure both IPs share the same subnet and that firewalls permit the traffic. Disable firewalls briefly for diagnostics. Once confirmed, save the static settings so reconnecting is quick. Remember, this direct link bypasses NAT and router services, so reapply caution with security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.